Have you ever noticed that moment when your iPhone hits 20% and suddenly you're rushing to turn on low power mode? Or maybe you're someone who keeps low power mode on all the time, even when your phone is fully charged. But we can avoid manual work here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fully automate your iPhone battery. So when your battery drops below 20%, low power mode turns on automatically. And when your battery goes back above 20% while charging, low power mode turns off automatically without you touching anything. No apps, no jailbreak, just built-in iPhone automation. Let's get started. Part 1. Below 20%, low power mode and dark mode on. Step 1. Open shortcuts. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap Automation at the bottom. Tap New Automation. Step 2. Choose battery level. Scroll down and tap battery level. Set it to 20%. Select falls below 20%. Choose Run immediately. Turn Notify when run on. Tap Next. Step 3. Add first action, low power mode. Tap Add action. In the search bar at the bottom, type Set Low Power Mode. Tap Set Low Power Mode. Make sure it says Turn Low Power Mode on. Step 4. Add second action dark mode. Tap Add action again. In the search bar, type Set Appearance. Tap Set Appearance. Make sure it says Set Appearance to Dark. You should now see two actions. Turn Low Power Mode on, Set Appearance to Dark. Now, whenever your battery drops below 20%, low power mode and dark mode turn on automatically. Part 2. Above, 20% low power mode and dark mode off. Now this next part is really important, and honestly, this is the part most people skip. Personally, I don't like keeping low power mode and dark mode on once my phone starts charging again. When my battery goes back above 20%, I want my iPhone to return to normal. Full performance, normal brightness, and light mode. So instead of turning everything off manually every time, I created a second automation that does it for me automatically. This way, as soon as the battery rises above 20%, low power mode turns off, dark mode turns off, and my iPhone goes back to normal. Let me show you how to set it up. Step 1. Create second automation. Tap the plus icon. Scroll down and choose battery level. Step 2. Set battery rises above. Select rises above. Set it to 20%. Leave run immediately checked. Leave notify when run off. Tap next. Step 3. Add first action, low power mode off. Tap add action. Search for set low power mode. Tap it. Make sure it says turn low power mode off. Step 4. Add second action. Light mode. Tap add action again. Search for set appearance. Tap it. Change it to light. And now you have two iPhone automations working for you. One triggers when your battery level drops, and the other triggers when your battery level rises. So everything switches on and off automatically. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more iPhone tricks, automations, and hidden features that Apple doesn't always explain properly.